How to easily fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings in Roblox. Now, this tutorial is going to be straightforward and easy to fix as long as you follow through all the steps. You will not have any problems in the future. First things first is, of course, open up your roblox.com official site and make sure that you logged into your account already. So in here, just locate this gear icon, click on that, and head straight to settings. And once you're on settings, all you have to do is just head out to privacy and content restriction. As you can see, there are options in here that you want to do is just go to content maturity and make sure that this is set to moderate. And then under communication, go to experience chat and make sure that all these settings right here is simply set to everyone and not no one. Same goes with party, camera input, and then all of these, the rest of the options in here. Make sure that there is no restrictions that you have enabled on any of these options here under privacy and content restrictions. That's basically it. It's how you easily fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings in Roblox.